My name is Alina Sabon and I'm the Head of Recruitment here at Berlin School of Business and Innovation. We are committed to provide the best guidance to our prospective students in the application process. We have created this video to help you with the step-by-step process of completing your application and processing your visa and residence permits. To those of you who are interested in joining any of our programs in Paris, please continue watching. Our expert visa advisors are on standby to support you with any questions you might have regarding the process. You may also reach out to your program consultants and we will be happy to support.